Inside, Lydia, what's in there? Open it up. Oh, plastic. Pull it out. Good girl. What's in there? Oh, look, shoes. Yay. Purple shoes. What else is in there? Oh, I think those are for Mama. Here, Lydia, get the prizes out. Get your toys. Ooh, look, this is for Mama. Cookie cutters. Yay. What else? Ooh, look, you got a pretty dress. Look, Lydia. Look at that pretty dress. Look at this. Aww. Could you be any cuter? Nope. Ooh, look, a skirt. You got a card. Yay for cards. Oh, cute little shirt. Very cute. Oh, look, some shorts. And a tank top. Oh, you're going to look so cute. Oh, look, Lydia. Mama got a bunch of cookie cutters. Say thank you, Grandma, Grandpa. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Can you say uh-oh? Uh-oh. Say bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.